Hello everyone. Before we start the video, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Hafidzhin Sholah number 3, and my friend is Rizki Zulkifli number 2022. Our goals to making this video is to do producer text assessment from our teacher, Miss Rinel. In this producer text assessment, we want to make it iced tea. And now let's see what the ingredients are and how to make it iced tea. Let's go.
For ingredient: tea bag, sugar, water, ice cup, tools, pen, glass, and spoon. Step 1. Heat a round of water in the pan. Step 2. Add the tea bag to the boiling water. Step 3. Turn off the stove and pour the tea into a glass. Step 4. Add sugar to taste and stir until well mixed. Step 5. Add ice cubes to the glass. Step 6. Pour water until the glass is successfully full. Iced tea is ready. Enjoy! That's the tutorial on how to make iced tea. Thank you for watching this video until the end.